Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA, currently holding support. Yeah, we talked about that in yesterday's video. As long as it's holding 34.15, we can go with the current wave count of a so-called, we had here 1-2, another possible 1-2, and here another 1-2 setup. While having 3 1-2 setups in a row is okay, having more is getting a little bit unrealistic. At the moment, we can go with this as long as it's holding 34.15 cents. It again turned around at the golden ratio here yesterday. That's at 35.13 cents. And let's see if it now develops an impulse. At the moment, I can't really see anything. It looks really like corrective still to the upside. We want to see eventually something impulsive like this, where you have the long green bars. That would give a good indication that we actually are in our third wave rally here. Go to the 30-minute chart. So yeah, and again, just maybe a reminder, if we hold this 34.1 cent level, and if we now start a third wave rally, what would be the target for that third wave? But that would really only be the minimum. So we talk here about 44.3 cents based on the latest lows, but I don't have any strong indication that this downtrend is over. It could be, but so far it needs to make at least a few new highs, and it needs to show some impulsive price action. This looks corrective at this stage, while recording the video. And it hasn't even broken above the previous swing high. So at the very least, I would want to see a break above 36.1 cents. But even better, of course, would be a break above the wave 1 high of 38.7 cents for confirmation that a wave 2 low has been made. Now, what happens if we drop below 34.1 cents? I did talk about that yesterday. What might have to happen is that we have to reset here this wave 2 low, as an alternative wave 2. We would then have space to drop a little lower. And we talk here about the 31.2 cent level, the 78.6 retrace. So basically it would assume that, yes, the wave 1 here, which was made on the 14th of March, still stands. But then we only came down, not in a wave 2, but in an A wave. We rallied in 3 waves in a B wave, and we're coming down in a C wave. But the move down currently doesn't really look like it, all right? Because it looks very much like a 3-wave structure, nearly complete, at least at the moment. Not really impulsive to the downside. Now that can change. But be aware of that. I mean, that's an idea that I still have. It all depends on which support levels are holding. Certainly in terms of micro support, we have the 34.1 cent level. Then we've got the 33 cent level, this previous wave 2 swing low. Then 31.6 and the fib level I just highlighted to you. And then there is not much more to add. We just need to wait and see now. As long as support levels are holding, we have to treat them like that, right? Then no point speculating if it might drop below or not. If it does, it does. And then we know where the next key support will be. Just watching if there's anything else to point out. I mean, we broke on the 1-hour chart above the 50 level. You could say that's short-term bullish on the RSI, but not really. It doesn't really carry much meaning. And here on the 4-hour, which I believe is a bit more meaningful on the RSI, we're sort of fighting around the 50 level. So staying above 50 would be important, in my opinion, for an upholding of the uptrend. So since basically we started to rally here on the 10th of March, we've been above 50. At least 90% of the time, and it would be crucial to get back above that level. At the moment we are below 50, so we're just at the brink of possibly creating another bullish crossover here on the 4-hour and getting above 50. That would be healthy, plus possibly negative momentum reducing on the MACD would be a very good catalyst for further increases as well. Whenever here we had those pumps in the last few weeks or last few days, we saw that bullish crossover coming on the MACD, and we might be getting there now as well. Alright, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.